All right, so you made it to the free course. I'm glad you're here. I wish my girlfriend would record, but she's busy right now, so it's okay. So let's start with the tour first. I am in Bali. I'm thinking about moving here. It's beautiful. So this is the tour for our what's this villa. This is my villa, okay? So let's get to it. Before we get to the course, we got the pool. Let's just go through. It's very nice. It's very beautiful here. We've been here for almost 7 days. We were in however you say it. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Now we are in Canggu. So here we go. Nice little living room. This is nice, bro. This is a vibe. I ain't gonna cap. Like, this is fire. They welcome us with some welcome drinks, watermelon, keys over there, restroom right here. Boom. Okay. And we got the stairs up here. I'll show you the room. The room may be a little messy. We got stuff kind of everywhere, but okay. So this is the guest bedroom. I'll go in the restroom. My girlfriend is in there doing a video in the mirror. Closet. Little closet right there. Got a little patio area. Bed. Nice, TV. Not the biggest TV, but it'll do, We got the restroom. I like it. It's very nice, Let's look at the patio real quick. And then we're gonna get to this course so we can learn how to make some money. You hear me? All right. Here we go. This is the pool. I'll be watching my girlfriend swim right here. Yeah. This is the vibe. All right, so let's get to the course. So there will be more, there will be more courses, more ways of how I trade and things of that nature, of course, because the markets are always changing, right? There's always new products that you can use to make money when it comes to trading. That's in like heat seekers. So I use a lot of gamma exposure now when I'm trading stocks. Even with forex, I use gamma exposure. So I'm gonna go over that today with you guys today, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm finna get my laptop, and I will see y'all when I get to the laptop. Yeah, all right. Okay, y'all. So look a little rough right now. I just woke up. Did that video yesterday, but got busy, got tired. Okay, so let's get straight into it. It's gonna be a really quick video, like really a crash course, just showing you guys, just how I trade, how to go through the Discord if you join it, and how to use the softwares and products that I use to help me trade. Right. So let's get straight into it. So step one, I'm not even gonna have like steps. I'm just gonna kind of give you a crash course. Within my Discord and things like that, I'll be doing a lot more in-depth courses. Right. So let's just get straight into it really quick. Okay. Okay. So step one, when it comes to me trading, finding stocks and things of that nature, I do have scanners, right? So I'll put the scanner. If you join Discord, you'll get the scanner. You'll get the main scanner I use. And if you're watching the video on YouTube, I'll put that scanner. I'll put it. It's another scanner that I use that I'll put down in there for you. Really don't feel like going to that right now. Let's just get to it. It's fine. So go right here and screeners, stocks. And so this is a scanner, right? So this is a scanner that you can use completely for free. I'll put it down under the video so you can use it yourself, right? So let's give you an example of how I use this and how I'm going to trade this, because I'm going to trade, example, Lily right here. This is on my watch list for this coming up week. Let me see. Okay, so Lily is bullish for the most part, and I'm going to show you why. And I'm going to show you how you can use this for every single stock that you're looking for, right? So Lily. So it's on our scanner. We know it's bullish. Always want to be above our EMAs. I'll give you this indicator for free as well. Just making sure it's under 20, 50, 200, EMA charts, right? And we use that 8 EMA for like just to like see our trend pretty much, okay? So That sound like a lot. That's why I'm trying to just give this like really just I like dumb it down much as I possibly can. So don't worry about that. Let's just worry about okay, it's on our scanner. Now let's see where it's going, right? It's on our scanner, since going up, let's see where it's going. So Voltic, I use Voltic and Skyview. So Voltic is better in my opinion. A good friend of mine own Voltic, and Skyview is pretty good. But Voltic is a lot better. That's why it's more. You can get Voltic for around 200 a month and Skyview for around $99 a month. But Skyview is a lot better, and I use Skyview more than anything. So let's go to Lily, and it pretty much tells you where price is going. Okay, so example, price is at 12.13. Um, I think it just hasn't updated. Okay, so 12.13. Let's say we're about right here, right? So all it's just showing me is that 12.10 right here. Okay, once this breaks that 12.20 mark, okay, here it updated. Okay, so 12.15. Once it breaks around that 12.20 mark, there's nothing but buy straight to 12.50 almost, right? So you can say so really going on 1300. So hopefully, I really believe I will be buying most likely buying call options tomorrow at open. Um, not 13.16, but they go to around 13. Okay, and it's just showing us this off of here. It's showing you where the buyers are at. So I use gamma exposure a lot when it comes to me trading stocks and options because it just tells you where the price is going and you're not guessing at the point. This is what big hedge funds use and all the big players use gamma exposure. And if you say they don't, I don't you don't know what you're talking about because I promise you they do. And it's just showing that a stop loss is going to be around here 1190. But as you know me, I don't really be setting stop losses much. I use that's just me. I get out when I don't like the chart no more. So that's just an example right there. So I will be looking for longs. So if you're watching this, you don't want to join the Discord, go look for longs on Lily tomorrow. And if you don't follow me on Twitter. I go through lots of charts every single week where when I'm telling them. Sorry, I go through a lot of charts every single week, speaking about what charts that I want to get in, what trades I want to take, etc. Sorry, I'm over here stuttering and crap. I'm just waking up. All right, so same thing. Let's see how we look on Skyview. It probably look almost the same way. Break that 1220, we go around to 1300. It's the same thing. And the reason why I say 1300 is because you can see. So there's nothing but buys, 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 buys. And once it gets around that 1300 mark, they kind of start to die down. You see, like there's not a lot of money being put into these after that 1300 mark. So I will be looking long to go there. But like I said, follow me on Twitter so you can know what else I'm going long on. And also, if you want to join the Discord, it's right here. So that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna go over too much when it comes to stock options. Hopefully that made sense. If it didn't, you can send me a DM on Instagram, Twitter, anything. I'll help for free. I do not charge you just for questions. Like this is totally fine with me because when I didn't have help, um, I would have liked somebody to help me, right? So I don't care about none of that, right? So let's just go over the Discord. Then I'm gonna go over some forex for my forex guys because I know I have a lot of guys that want to trade forex because when it comes to when you're first trading and you're trying to, you don't have a lot of money, you have around $500. I would say, start with options, start with forex. Honestly, options is more if you have, a 5K and up range. Um, but forex, you can make it really good, a really good amount of money when it comes to forex, right? So all right, let's just go through the Discord real quick. So this is the announcements. This is where I announce certain things. Support. You can make a support ticket. Chat. I just opened the chat up yesterday. Um, yeah, just opened the chat yesterday, so you can chat there, ask any questions you want. Options. This is where I send all the options alerts. And this is the top. This is the really good scanner I was telling you about. This scanner here is better than the one that I'm giving for free, but the free one can work as well. All right, so we've got the forex signals. Just starting that back up. I had a lot of forex signals going on through here, but I partnered with some of my friends at the Telegram, and I was like, look. So I'm going to be sending signals in here as well. But also, if you join this, you can join the Telegram where they send trades every single day. I can just show you that real quick. Yeah, they show trades every single day in here, every day. All right. So, oops, sorry. Y'all gonna see my works. I can't show y'all the sauce. What the heck? Okay. All right. So get off of that. Okay. So now, um, for partners, like I said, Voltic, Skyview, when it comes to me trading stocks, options, even with forex, I'm going to show you an example with forex as well. Get funded. You can get funded up to $100,000 when it comes to trade stock options. So if you don't have that capital, you can come and get $100,000, right? And it's. I promise you, you get this, you're gonna pass. You're gonna pass the challenge. I promise you. Okay, forex, stockbrokers is the only brokers that I really use when it comes to forex and stocks. Public and Webull. You can use any way you want. You also can come here. You can join the autopilot to where it invests for you. Um, Trading rules, I pretty much tell you my option trading rules. I always use that gamma exposure no matter what. Chart reverse, this is just some chart, some education and some more education. But in here, I'll be sending out a lot of more education. Like this is a crash course. That's why I'm going pretty fast. But when it comes to, I'll be uploading to YouTube too. So make sure you subscribe. Once I get home, I can really sit down and do more. Right now, I'm in Bali, so I want to get outside and just see the city. Okay, so let's see where am I at right now. So that's pretty much it on that. Hopefully you understood the gamma exposure. If not, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on join Discord. Join Discord if you want to. And for the gamma exposure, you will need one of these, be able to use it. And I'm gonna give you one more example. Let's give you one more example. Look at Tim. I'm looking at TEM this week as well, and all right, see, I already got it set up. I personally know it's going to 70. All right, I called it out. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me. Join my free channel because you'll see that I called out 60. I already called out it to get to 60 last week, and that's exactly what it did because the gamma exposure is just telling me everything that I need to know, right? So let's go to Tim, and Tim is just showing me right now it's going to 70. I don't care what nobody says, it's going to 70. You see what I'm saying? It's at 60, and it's nothing but buys up to 70 before it starts to really, slow down. And let's go to Skyview, TEM. Exact same thing. It's going up to 70, and then it dies down a little bit, right? So those are two trades that you can be looking for when it comes to trading options this week, or if you want to buy shares. I like to trade options because you can make more money, of course. And I'm just gonna give you an example real quick with the forex, right? So with forex, I mainly trade, NAS 100, um, NAS 100. But in the Telegram chat that you can join, they trade lots of pairs, right? And it's all day long. Me, I don't do all that. Okay, so NAS 100, right? When it comes to NAS 100, it's gonna be a little different. Let me give you an example. So it'll be on NDX, right? So NDX is what you'll be looking at when you're looking at the um, gamma exposure. Okay, so sorry. All right, so when it comes to gamma exposure, NDX is what you'll be looking at. Okay, so NAS 100, it's pretty much the same. It's the same thing as NAS 100. It's just a little different. And if you're on a Discord, you'll start to understand what I mean about our pricing is a little different and things of that nature. It's not all the way different, but it is a little different. So all right, so example A. I'm just gonna give you an example real quick. So go to Tim, you type in NDX, and NDX. It's a little bit, it's kind of wonky right now. It's not really bearish, not really bullish. The chart looks bullish to me, but tomorrow at open, let's say everything lights up green, we'll start to look for longs, and that's what I did on NAS 100. So I always look at NDX when it comes to the gamma exposure. And once all this lights up green, you'll see how it was with this. Like it'll be similar to that. That's pretty much it. And if you're on my Discord, you'll see because I'll be notified. Hey, look, we're going long because of this. We're going short because of this, right? And right now, I think it's going long. I just gotta wait for tomorrow morning for, just to get updated, right? So it's not really updated right now because the market is closed and it's looking very mixed right now. It's not giving me bearish or bullish, but I feel like it's bullish, just because how the market bounced at the end of last week. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Hopefully that made sense. But you can use this with, forex or anything. But what we're putting in now is for all pairs, So I say the next week or two, not weaving, but it's like my friends, one of my closest friends, um, product, he's going to try to put in like all the forex pairs the same way. It's just easier with stocks because this it's just a lot easier to implement this. But we are doing this for forex because we do have a lot of forex friends and forex communities that I know would love to use this to help their trading better, right? So that's pretty much it. Hopefully that helped. That's just a free crash course. Um, yeah, man. Just looking at all the stuff I have on here. Yeah, so much stuff on here. All right, so hopefully that made sense. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna see y'all next time. All right, yeah. Peace.